Hello everyone, I'm Tora Odhikari. Welcome back to my channel. Hope my YouTube viewers are in the best of their health and spirit. Just 2 days ago, there was a science exhibition in our school. I have tried to capture some of the glimpses from there. And one of them was Chandrayaan. I just want to share how my children have done the Chandrayaan project. Please see it and please comment how you like the way our children have done. Please come with me. Libby, what you have done?
Here's the demonstration of Chandrayaan 1, 2 and 3. Chandrayaan 1 launched in 2008 was a failure as it stopped communicating with the ISRO. After the failure of Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2 was launched in 2019, which was manually successful as it stopped communicating and it doesn't have a soft landing on the moon's surface. After the failure of Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3 was launched on 14 July and it was a successful mission and it was the dream project of K. Shivan. So here we go.
Just a minute, once again do. Once again do. Wonderful. And what is it?
It is the rover Pragyan. It consists with the Chandrayaan 3 and it is the rover called Pragyan.
Okay. And what this charts explains about on the very day the newspaper, whatever the news has come. Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
Okay. Oh, this is Hindi done.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, so
Ma'am, here's the English part.
English part I'll show to the audience. It's very good. All of them have liked, your this thing, your project. All of them. Okay. Wishing you all the best so that you do next time very nice. So that next time you do quite nicely. And I just want to take an overall view. Yes. And this is, I think I couldn't get it. India on the move. India on the moon, I mean. Yes. Thank you, Pallavi. All the best to you so that you do next time much better than this and you enjoy your life and your work and everything. And to the viewers, I hope you have liked the project. I wanted to show the detailing. Once again, I'm showing you. This was Chandrayaan 1, she explained. This is 2 and that is 3. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.